Hello everyone, welcome back to BE Nadim, your trusted guide for international student life in the UK. Today we'll talk about how to prepare for UKVI after getting your CS letter. First things first, the CAS letter. This is your confirmation of acceptance for studies. Without it, you can't even apply for your visa. Always check the details carefully: your name, course fees, and university information. Next, the TB test certification. Students from certain countries, including Bangladesh, India, and Pakistan, must provide this. Take the test only from a UKVI-approved clinic. Don't go anywhere else. Then comes the bank statement. This is one of the most important documents. You must show enough money to cover tuition fees and living costs kept in your account for at least 28 consecutive days. Now the birth certificate. It proves your identity and parent details. Make sure you use an English version, an official translation if it's not in English. After that, the affidavit of financial support. If your parents or guardians are funding you, this legal document confirms they will support your studies. Combine it with their bank statements. You'll also need supporting documents like academic certificates, transcripts, or even job experience letters if relevant. Always keep them organized and ready in one folder. Now the visa fee. This is a compulsory payment during your online application. Pay it with a valid card, and don't forget to keep the receipt safe. Alongside that, you must pay the IHS fee, Immigration Health Surcharge. This gives you access to the NHS, the UK's National Health Service, while you study. Finally, the visa interview. This is often called a credibility interview. They'll ask why you chose the UK, your course, your university, and how you'll fund yourself. Practice your answers clearly and confidently. One key to success in the UKVI interview is confidence. Speak clearly and naturally. Remember, it's not about perfect English, it's about showing you are genuine. Learn about your chosen course and university. They may ask, why this course? Why this university? If you can answer with solid reasons, you'll impress the officer. Be ready to explain your financial plan, who is sponsoring you, and how will you manage your living costs. Don't give confusing answers. Keep it simple and realistic. They might ask what you'll do after graduation. Talk honestly, whether you plan to gain experience in the UK or return home. Avoid giving fake or unclear answers. Finally, practice with a friend, family member, or even in front of a mirror. The more you rehearse, the more confident you'll sound in the real interview. If you prepare your documents properly, stay honest in your answers, and show clear intentions, your chance of visa approval is very high. So friends, that's the step-by-step guide to prepare for your UKVI student visa after getting your CAS letter. Stay organized, stay confident, and you'll make it smoothly. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel BE Nadim for more tips, and follow us on Facebook for updates. Links are in the description. Thanks for listening, and good luck with your visa journey.